Good evening children. So now we are going to discuss law of Malus. In our previous lecture we have discussed about polarization. Polarization is the phenomena of light in which light get restricted, light get polarized in a particular direction. And we also discussed that whenever the unpolarized light is passing through the polarizer, the intensity of the light get reduced to half. So we will discuss that also, and we will also discuss how much the analyzer should be moved. This is polarizer, unpolarized light is coming. इन दोनों के बीच में intensity of light reduced to half. अभी एनालाइजर के बाद जो लाइट यहाँ पे निकलेगी हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कि 30 पे कितनी होगी, 45 पे कितनी होगी, 60 पे कितनी होगी, 90 पे कितनी होगी. व्हाट फैक्टर डिसाइड्स कि एनालाइजर से निकलने वाली लाइट की इंटेंसिटी कितनी होगी, राइट. सो दिस वाज गिवन बाय Malus in 1809. According to law of Malus, say suppose A is the amplitude of the wave. Every wave has an amplitude. Y is equals to A sin theta or A sin omega t. So considering A is the amplitude of the wave, and the way we have discussed in previous lecture that this is polarizer, this is analyzer. इसका पास एक्सिस और इसके पास एक्सिस के बीच का एंगल होता है थीटा. सो ये जो है, जो पोलराइजर है, उसका एक अगर हम इमेजिनरी प्लेन ड्रॉ करें, सो दैट विल बी द प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइजर. सिमिलरली देयर विल बी अ प्लेन ऑफ एनालाइजर. थीटा इज द एंगल बिटवीन प्लेन ऑफ एनालाइजर एंड प्लेन ऑफ पोलराइजर. सो लेट अस रिजॉल्व द एम्पलीट्यूड ए इन टू डायरेक्शंस. one is a cos theta along the plane of analyzer and other is a sin theta, which is same as the plane of polarizer, right. And it is found that light intensity is only observed in the plane of analyzer. So which factor is responsible for the intensity of light? This a cos theta factor, which is parallel to the plane of transmission of analyzer, is responsible for the intensity of light, right. So we have learnt earlier also that yes, according to law of Malus, I is proportional to cos square theta. Now we are going to study its proof. This is law of Malus, that I is proportional to square of the cosine of the angle between plane of polarization and plane of transmission, right. So we know, we have studied earlier that intensity of light is always proportional to the square of the amplitude. We have studied in interference also. So I is proportional to which amplitude we will take? Light is passing along the analyzer, so we will take this a cos theta part. So a cos theta square, this becomes a square cos square theta. Removing the sign of proportionality, we use a constant of proportionality here, that is k. So this k a square is termed as I naught. I is equals to I naught cos square theta, right. If you keep theta as 0 degree, cos 0 is 1, so I becomes equal to I naught, that is, it is the maximum intensity of light. So there are two cases here. So if theta is 0 degree or 180 degree, polarizer और analyzer हमने ऐसे रखा है या ऐसे रखा है, right. In both the cases the value of cos theta is +1 or -1. Either +1 or -1, square will be plus only. So I becomes equal to I naught. This is the condition of maximum intensity of light. If polarizer and analyzer are kept parallel to each other, the angle between plane of polarization and plane of transmission is 0 degree, then whatever light is here, same light we will get here. यहाँ पे जो भी लाइट होगी इन दोनों के बीच में, सेम लाइट हमें यहाँ पे भी मिलेगी, इस साइड भी, राइट. सेकेंड केस, when theta is equals to 90 degree, I becomes I naught cos square 90, cos 90 is 0, so I becomes equal to 0. If we turn this analyzer at an angle of 90 degree, then we do not get any light here, light get completely restricted, right. Now as I told you, whenever light passes, unpolarized light comes to the polarizer, here we take intensity of light always as half. Why do we take half, right? As we know that according to law of Malus, I is proportional to cos square theta, or I is equals to I naught cos square theta. Now why the intensity reduces to half? Because in order to take the average value, say this is unpolarized light falling to the falling on the polarizer, and we have to take the intensity half. So whatever intensity of light is there, we have to take the average value of that. So right, I is equals to I naught cos square theta. So cos square theta का average value will be taken because the intensity depends on cos theta factor, right? So what is the converting cos square theta into half? We can write trigonometric relation. Cos square theta can be written as half 1 plus cos 2 theta. Half is a constant. So the average value of the average, this bar means the average value of 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 again is a constant. So the average value of cos 2 theta. And what is the average value of cos 2 theta? It is 0. So this becomes I naught by 2 into 1, that is I naught by 2. So polarizer से जो भी light यहाँ पे जाएगी, that will, the intensity will reduce to half. And जो भी वो half वाली light जाएगी, यहाँ पे जो light जाने वाली है, that is decided by the law of Malus. This I is the I after the analyzer. So this theta angle decides light कितनी जाने वाली है, right? So this is law of Malus. Thank you children.